Dhirubhai Ambani was one of India's most influential industrialists and entrepreneurs. Born into a modest family in Gujarat, he built one of the largest business empires in India through determination, risk-taking, innovation, and extraordinary business vision. He founded Reliance Industries, which grew from a small trading company into a multinational conglomerate spanning textiles, petrochemicals, refining, telecommunications, retail, and energy. Dhirubhai's rise from humble beginnings to becoming one of India's most powerful businessmen made him a symbol of entrepreneurial ambition. His life story is often described as the classic rags to riches journey. He transformed not only Indian industry but also India's stock market culture by encouraging ordinary middle-class citizens to invest in equities. Dhirubhai Ambani was born as Dheeraj Lal Hira Chand Ambani on 28 December 1932 in the village of Chorwad in Gujarat, then part of British India. His father, Hira Chand Gordhan Bhai Ambani, was a school teacher, while his mother, Jamna Ben Ambani, was a homemaker. The family belonged to the Modh Bania community and lived a simple middle-class life. From an early age, Dhirubhai displayed signs of ambition and business instinct. Stories about his childhood often mention that he tried small ventures to earn money, including selling snacks to pilgrims during local festivals. These early experiences helped shape his entrepreneurial mindset. He completed his schooling in Gujarat but did not pursue higher education due to financial limitations. However, his practical intelligence, confidence, and hunger for success became the foundation of his future achievements. At the age of around 17, Dhirubhai moved to Aden, present-day Yemen, which was then a British colony and an important trading port. He joined his elder brother there and started working for A. Bess & Co., a trading firm involved in petroleum products and commodities. In Aden, Dhirubhai learned international trade, accounting and finance, import-export operations, currency and commodity markets, negotiation and business management.
Some accounts also state that he worked at a petrol station during this period. Living in Aden exposed him to global commerce and modern business practices, which later influenced his own business strategies in India. He married Kokilaben Ambani in 1955. The couple later had 4 children: Mukesh Ambani, Anil Ambani, Neena Kotari, Deepti Salgankar. In 1958, Dhirubhai returned to Bombay, now Mumbai, with limited savings but enormous ambition. He started a trading company called Reliance Commercial Corporation. Initially, the business focused on exporting spices to Yemen and importing polyester yarn into India. The company operated from a tiny office in Mumbai's Masjid Bunder area. The office reportedly had 1 table, 3 chairs, a telephone, and 2 assistants. Despite the small beginning, Dhirubhai had big plans. He believed in high volumes with low profit margins, aggressive expansion, building strong networks, and taking calculated risks. He first partnered with his cousin Champaklal Damani, but the partnership ended in 1965 due to differences in business philosophy. Damani preferred cautious trading, while Dhirubhai believed in bold risk-taking and expansion. Dhirubhai soon realized that manufacturing offered greater opportunities than trading alone. In 1966, he established his first textile mill in Naroda, Gujarat. This marked the birth of Reliance Textile Industries. He launched the textile brand Vimal, named for a family member. Vimal became one of India's most popular fabric brands during the 1970s and 1980s. The company's advertising slogan, "Only Vimal," became widely recognized across India. Dhirubhai revolutionized textile marketing by opening branded retail outlets, ensuring consistent quality, using modern advertising techniques, and offering fashionable yet affordable fabrics. His business philosophy focused on delivering value to ordinary Indian consumers. Dhirubhai's most significant achievement was transforming Reliance from a textile company into an industrial giant. He followed a strategy called backward integration, meaning Reliance gradually began producing the raw materials needed for its own products. This reduced dependence on suppliers and increased profits. Reliance expanded into polyester fibers, petrochemicals, plastics, refining, oil and gas, energy generation. By the 1990s, Reliance Industries had become one of India's largest private sector companies. The company established massive manufacturing facilities and modern industrial complexes, including the Jamnagar refinery project, which later became one of the world's largest refining complexes. One of Dhirubhai Ambani's most important contributions was democratizing stock market investment in India. In 1977, Reliance Industries launched a public issue, or IPO. At that time, investing in shares was largely limited to wealthy individuals and institutions. Dhirubhai encouraged ordinary middle-class Indians to become shareholders in his company. Thousands of small investors trusted him because he communicated directly with shareholders. Reliance paid attractive dividends, and investors believed in his growth vision. Annual general meetings of Reliance often attracted tens of thousands of people and were held in stadiums. This was unprecedented in Indian corporate history. Many people credit Dhirubhai with creating India's equity cult, where middle-class families began investing in stocks as a path to wealth creation. Dhirubhai Ambani became known for fearless decision-making, aggressive expansion, strong networking skills, long-term strategic thinking, and extraordinary confidence. Some of his famous beliefs included: think big, think fast, think ahead. Growth has no limit. Difficulties can become opportunities. He inspired employees by encouraging ambition and rewarding performance. He also built strong political and financial connections, helping Reliance navigate India's heavily regulated economy during the License Raj era. Despite his success, Dhirubhai Ambani's career was not free from controversy. Critics and rivals accused him of political influence, market manipulation, and tax avoidance. Exploiting regulatory loopholes. His rivalry with businessman Nuzli Wadia became one of the most famous corporate battles in Indian history. Journalists and authors also examined his rise critically. The book, The Polyester Prince, by Hamish MacDonald, discussed allegations related to his business practices. However, supporters argued that Dhirubhai succeeded because he understood India's economic system better than his competitors and possessed unmatched entrepreneurial vision. In 1986, Dhirubhai suffered a major stroke that partially paralyzed his right side. After this, he gradually handed over operational control of Reliance to his sons, Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani. Even after stepping back from daily management, he continued to influence the company's strategic direction. On 24 June 2002, he suffered another major stroke and was admitted to Breach Candy Hospital in Mumbai. After being in a coma for more than a week, he passed away on 6 July 2002 at the age of 69. His funeral was attended by thousands of people, including industrialists, politicians, employees, and ordinary citizens. After Dhirubhai's death, differences emerged between his sons Mukesh and Anil over control of the Reliance empire. Eventually, under the mediation of Kokilaben Ambani, the business group was divided in 2005-2006. Mukesh Ambani retained control of Reliance Industries, including petrochemicals, oil, refining, and later telecom and retail ventures. Anil Ambani received telecom, power, financial services, and entertainment businesses.
Dhirubhai Ambani's legacy remains enormous in Indian business history. His major contributions include building Reliance Industries from scratch, transforming India's textile and petrochemical industries, popularizing equity investment among ordinary Indians, creating one of the world's largest business groups, and inspiring generations of entrepreneurs. Today, Reliance Industries is among India's most valuable companies and operates globally across multiple sectors. The telecom revolution, initiated later through Reliance Jio under Mukesh Ambani, is often seen as the continuation of Dhirubhai's dream of affordable communication for all Indians. Dhirubhai Ambani received several honors during and after his lifetime, including the Dean's Medal from the Wharton School in 1998 and the posthumous award of the Padma Vibhushan in 2016, India's second highest civilian award. Dhirubhai's life inspired books, documentaries, motivational speeches, and films. The Bollywood film Guru was widely believed to be loosely inspired by his life, although the filmmakers denied it was a direct biography. Several motivational biographies and business case studies continue to analyze his leadership and entrepreneurial journey. Dhirubhai Ambani remains one of the most iconic figures in Indian corporate history. His life story demonstrates how vision, determination, and bold thinking can transform adversity into extraordinary success. From a small village in Gujarat to building a global business empire, Dhirubhai Ambani reshaped Indian industry and inspired millions of entrepreneurs. His influence continues through the growth of Reliance Industries and the continuing prominence of the Ambani family in global business.